Hey Lucrative family, ever wanted to earn extra cash online with just simple tasks? Imagine working 1 or 2 hours a day and you are able to make 3 to 4 thousand naira consistently, all from the comfort of your home and with your mobile phone. How cool is this? It sounds so good to be true, right? I thought so myself until I gave it a try. In this video, I'll take you step by step on how this platform works and the kind of tasks you can do in this platform to earn massively. And I'll also show you how you can start cashing out today. So stick with me to the very end of this video. If you are new here, welcome. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop down any comments in the comment section just in case you have any question from this video. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. Once you sign up, you are going to see an interface just like this. So what you are going to notice once you sign up on this platform is that they always have tasks that are available for you immediately for you to start performing once you sign up. As at the time I was recording this video, I have 321 available tasks that I can start performing. So these are the tasks you can actually perform to make that extra cash. 2 to 3 thousand or even 4,000 naira daily will not be a bad side hustle, okay? As you can see here, the tasks that you can actually do on this platform for you to earn, you can just join a Telegram channel, engage on Instagram posts, maybe just like or comment, engage on TikTok videos, like a Twitter post, just simple tasks just like that. So if you should check on that social media, you are going to see Telegram channel. That task is for us to join a Telegram channel. And if you should check the amount, under amount to earn, you will see 8 naira. And the second one also is also to join a Telegram channel. And if you also check the amount, you are going to see 8 naira. The third one says 8 naira, 10 naira, 6 naira. And like the amount is just like from 4 naira to 10 naira, right? You might be saying that this amount is small, but I tell you, if you can just sit down 1 to 2 hours every day, you'll be amazed of the kind of money you are going to be making from this platform. Now, to get started on this platform, you need to register, and to do that, kindly click on the link in the description to register. It's actually simple, just for you to put in your email, your password, choose a username, and you sign up. After signing up, before you can get started by performing tasks in this platform, you need to activate your account. And to do that, you need to activate the account with 1,000 naira. It's actually a fair deal compared to the amount of money you'll be making from this platform, okay? So for you to make that deposit, just click here to activate your account. As you can see here, say click here to activate your account with 1,000 naira. So I'm just going to click on it, and it's going to bring out different options in which I can actually make the payment. So as you can see, it has brought out the different options that I can use to make the payment of 1,000 naira. I have option pay with my card, my bank, USSD, Visa, transfer, or OPay. But I'm just going to make use of transfer. I'll click on transfer, and as you can see, it has brought out the details of pay stack that I can make the sum of 1,000 naira to. So I'm just going to copy this account number and go and make the payment. I just make the payment of 1,000 naira with my GT account. As you can see here, it's showing payment successful. You paid 1,000 naira to social earnings, right? You can see it's loading. This is the interface that is going to show you after you might have paid the 1,000 naira. Now we can start performing tasks and start earning from this platform. As you can see here, it say hello Guinea, payment made successful and account activate successfully. So it's time for us to be performing tasks and earning from this platform, okay? So you just check any of the tasks that you want to perform. Just click on view tasks. Or I'm going to be performing the first task here. I'll just click on view tasks. All right, when I click on it, it's going to load up and it's going to show us an interface just like this. So you see this view tax here, and under you are going to see tax details. All right, this particular tax is actually from Telegram, right? And the ID number is 14 and the earning is 8 naira. What you need to do next, just for you to click on view job. When you click on view job, it's going to load up and it's going to take us to the Telegram channel we are about to join. So once it's loaded up and it opens just like this, you are going to be seeing this join button. Just click on it. Automatically you have joined the Telegram channel and you have performed the tasks for that particular job. Next is for you to come here, submit your job. As you can say, submit the tax to get paid. Just click here to submit your social media. It's going to bring you to an interface just like this. Click here to add social media. When you click on, it's going to bring out the different social media. Click on select social media. When you click on select social media, it's going to take you to an interface just like this. Just look for Telegram, because it's Telegram we use to complete that particular task. Just click on Telegram. It's going to show an interface just like this. So add your Telegram profile, like your name that you used to register on Telegram. Please make sure you add your social earnings username to your Telegram bio for easy identification. Okay, after adding your username, click on submit social media. As you can see here, it said, hello Ogene, social media accepted successfully. Kindly wait for admin's approval within 24 hours. So you can just click on add social media here for you to add all other social media that you have in order for you to perform wide range of tasks. Right now, let's talk about payment. Just click on this withdraw. It's going to load up and bring you to an interface just like this. Click on withdraw to bank. When you click on withdraw to bank, it's also going to load and bring you to another interface just like this. If you notice here, mine is showing bank account. Like I should select the bank. You want to be showing add bank. I've already added bank on mine, that's why it's showing like this. You want to be showing that you should add a bank. Just add your bank. It's a simple process and that's all. Then if you want to withdraw, you come back here and click on withdraw. You put in the amount you want to withdraw and you select the bank account you have already added, so that you can make your withdrawal directly to your local bank account. No need of PayPal or Payoneer. Another way to earn on this platform is by referring. Referring is not a new thing, so just copy your link and share with your family and friends. And you know, the two ways you can use to earn on these platforms is either you are an advertiser or you are an advertiser, in the sense that if you also have tasks that you want people to do for you, maybe you have a YouTube channel, you want more follower, you want more subscriber, you have an Instagram, you want people to follow you, just any tasks that you have, you can come up here and list it for them to help you advertise. Then people can come and perform the tasks and you be the one to pay them. Or you can just come here as an earner, just like you come here just to perform tasks and get paid. In my opinion, this is real and easy way to earn extra cash online every single day. Note that it will make you rich overnight, but with dedication, 1 to 2 hours a day can potentially earn you 3 to 4,000 naira daily. Are you ready to kickstart this side hustle today? Click on the link on the description or on the pinned comments to get started and activate your account today for you to start earning 3 to 4,000 naira every day. The next video that is showing up on your screen right now is actually a step-by-step guide on how you can make $40 per hour just by proofreading document. Click on it and I will see you there.